got challenge. Abracadabra. No, you don't see the bird. Count from 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
No, you see the bird. Stop it. Get some help.
I want him to make the noise again.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fairclough.
Yes, welcome back. What are we doing today, Aiden?
We are going to check out some animals.
What are the things that we're going to see?
We're going to see owls,
Yeah, exotic birds, yeah.
and flamingos.
And fishes. Stay tuned and don't move a muscle. Hey guys, we have arrived.
You get the parking spot.
You ready? Are you excited?
Yay!
All right. Thank you. You can go.
I forgot. I think that's the toucan.
That's your what?
Toucan.
Yeah, the gray one is a toucan, I'm pretty sure. A toucan.
And this one is what?
Peacock. Anyway.
Follow the penguin.
Yeah.
Hello. Can we have 3 tickets? 1 child and 2 adults. Hold this.
What's up?
Thank you. Alright guys, so we paid for our tickets. So now we are gonna put on our stickers. And up first.
Yeah, what's that tonight?
You want it here or up here?
Whichever, doesn't matter.
And then it's my turn. So I guess I have to dress myself, huh? I guess this shows that we pay or something. Or Waddy?
Go. I feel like.
Ooh.
Oh!
Beautiful. Look at those flamingos, guys. Oh my gosh.
No guy when we get to let me leave.
But we're gonna go and look the trap. We're gonna
Look at the flamingos, guys. Oh my god. Ooh. It's just so amazing to see these flamingos sleeping on one leg.
look at those birds.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Even the birds are saying time come. Time come.
You wanting for?
Market J.
These eggs, guys.
Easter eggs.
What's smelling this?
Look at those eggs. So we have the ostrich egg there at the back. And you can see the different types.
How do I?
Look at that. Look at the emu egg. Look at that.
I can't see. Oh, that brown one?
Yeah.
Let me see the ostrich.
I've never seen that big white one at the back. Don't.
You can eat
That big white
Oh,
one at the
now I
back.
see the ostrich.
Let's check out the smallest egg and see what name is
This
here.
is the smallest egg.
Which one?
This one.
Oh my gosh, yes. But that one doesn't have a label though.
So the smallest one that has a label is this one.
The brown-headed
The
cowbird. This one.
Oh.
That's
Okay. Interesting.
different skulls.
Skulls.
Eggs for days, guys. Which one are you having?
Different
Skulls. That's a little scary.
I guess they wait until they die on rats or something to get those skulls. Interesting. Alright, and we are back on the journey. Come in. Is it a good experience so far?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice close-up look. I need a picture.
Those are different colors.
What happens if I clap?
Why would you want to do that?
If you clap, what will happen?
Oh, look at that, guys. Is it the one here? Oh my god. What if it had flown on me? Oh, that's the orange. That's the PNP bird right there, guys. Look, there's a lot of PNP birds here too. Look over there. Yeah. Interesting. Look at that parrot. Yeah. That's a parrot, right? Ooh.
One more over there.
Hello.
You see that? It's that one. It's that part right there too.
It's a PMP bird for me though. Come, Eddie. Eddie,
Aiden, come here.
look at the bird. What are these? Swans? Look guys, it's on one leg and it seemed to be sleeping. Oh my gosh. That's something, isn't it? Look at those guys. Yeah. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hello. Oh, yeah. Over here having dinner. Ooh, hi, fella. Ooh.
Aiden.
A little too close to comfort, huh? Look at those, they went away. So how you feeling, Nicole? How's your experience?
It's a good experience.
Yes, it is.
Out in nature.
Yeah. Oh.
Enjoying some cool climate at this moment.
Uh-huh. Look at these.
Looking for her now.
Look at the neck, it's so long.
I think I know anybody floating in a container. Put more.
I don't think those bags would have been bigger. Looking bougie.
Is that a duck?
Watch it. Real hot, yeah, I know. Step out goods.
It's a duck. Right here. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, birds will bite. Please do not touch, feed, or harass them. Oh my gosh. No wonder I felt a little scared of that bird coming towards me just now. Oh.
It's not scary.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Oh, that's small.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's a
Swan.
swan.
Okay. Yeah, they're similar to that. Huh?
Okay, going in the water. Come on, focus camera. Oh my gosh, we missed it, guys. Ooh, look at that. Like, what? They look so peaceful, having a nice time. That leg. You know, that's the leg right there. That brown thing hanging out. That's the leg. Look at that. What? And then you just take time. So you know what this one does? This one shaking off the water from his leg. Look at that. Oh my gosh. They look so graceful, don't they?
You have a money kind of leg. I want to put there. See?
Oh yes.
You have a Madia bracelet. That's a Madia bracelet there.
You need help, buddy?
You see
You're
the
home
bracelet-
arrest?
You see the bracelet around the foot?
Mm-hmm. He's trying to get it off. Yeah, they're just scratching themselves.
Oh, there you are. Look at his hair. I see that. Okay, now look at Hey, birdie. His hair is cool. He's a brown cream of some kind. He's cool. He's like, feed me. I know, right? Look at his neck. How it just kind of lays.
Restoring a native wetland. Okay. That's the end? Oh. Okay.
Ready for feeding time?
Yeah.
You ready to feed the
Time
birds?
to feed some birds.
How is that stand? Let's go. Oh, that's how you do it, man.
Let's go.
No, you have a little style that you rock back there.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we have a deep voice box.
Oh my goodness.
This one have a deep voice box, baby.
That one seems as if he's
When you
ready
have one
to
more-
attack. There are quite a
over
few
there,
over
sir,
there.
this one there, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
One more of this kind.
Mm-hmm. Just pick up the aggressiveness in the bird. They said that this bird will bite, guys.
It's my turn.
Mm-hmm. He's losing some of his edges because the other ones that I saw was a lot fuller on top of the head. I guess that's why they call them crown crane, because they have the thing on top of their heads.
And then it's like a crane that lifts things still. Long and
Mm-hmm.
But you realize what they did, Aiden? They cover the roof dark. Why? They can only see in dark.
Predators mainly eat rodents, birds, and rabbits, but are capable of catching larger prey like foxes and young deer.
Mm. Interesting, huh? Why is he turning around? He doesn't want me to see him. What a peacock! Oh, the other. The peacock. The peacock listen to the noise in the head and a spin. Nicole, and a spin.
Turn now.
It's
Turn.
good.
Turn around.
That was really quiet.
There it goes. Oh, never mind.
The
Turn back.
peacock stay bad.
There it goes.
It's hard to see through the mesh, guys. There is no way. But I want to make a noise again. Please do not feed the birds in this Aviary have special diet, thank you. Don't go too close in. I want him to make the noise again. Ooh, that one is pretty. Yeah, perfect. That's very beautiful. Oh my God.
The aspen is so far away.
Look at that. I hope you can see it. Yes.
It's strong, man. It's a strong bunch. Positive. See, it is holding mama and myself.
How did I get into this?
Yeah, that's me. It's a very strong bunch. But mama and dad is like 1,000 pounds, eh?
1,000 pounds. You won. Don't mix me. Oh, it's closed. A dead end. It's a dead end. Got that bird, guys. Oops. That's their food. This one is flying around. I hope it doesn't fly on me. I'm gonna see food in your hand. Oh! I don't know how I feel about that bird, you know. You surrender? I think that one is being too why is he looking like that? If he fly upon me, I go scream, you know. Wow. Woo, woo. Oh, hi. Please to me. Oh, bird nest. Oh, well. Yeah. See the fishes in? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at those. I didn't even see those big ones.
There should be the only fish in a big redfish.
Yeah.
Tune in to Tika's Kitchen.
You want to see them at Tika's Kitchen? Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Uh-huh. Whoa. The Lord is amazing, I tell you. Jerk fish, roast duck, guys. Roast duck coming your way. Subscribe to Tika's Kitchen because you see those ducks over there? Roast duck is coming your way, okay? Beautiful. Hi. Oh, I missed it. Look at that, guys. Nice. God. Oops. It's okay. You can sit over there. It's okay. I was just saying.
You know how they put the birds in the cages? Huh? You know how I put those two birds in the cases? It kind of looks like Jaden's rabbits.
Oh, okay.
Oh no!
Oh, Jesus. Nicole, you need to protect your family. Lord Jesus!
Does everybody have their stickers?
Yeah.
Look at the ducks, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. There's just something about the swans moving so gracefully in the water that's so satisfying, you know?
Really?
That's nice. Oops, oops, oops.
Did you see a bald eagle on the main bird scene?
No. That's where I get the turkey neck, you know.
Scare me out my shoe. I thought this was an alligator.
Alligator actually in the zoo.
But what if it was a stray?
This is creative, bro.
Yeah, and so realistic.
Whoever make this thing.
Because looking from afar, that distance that I saw it from, couldn't tell me say I know an alligator tail that. Look guys, am I tripping or not? From afar it looks like it looks real.
Actually modified feathers that protects their eyes. They often sunbathe lying flat on the ground with wings spread out to catch the sun.
Ooh. Look at that guys.
It looks like it has two heads.
Oh. Look at that guys. Don't tell me that my God is not awesome. Look at that creation. So this is the founder guys. Yeah. And then they have, oh, we should take a picture here for our thumbnail, innit? Look at the flamingo guys. Wow. Relax, relax, relax. Stop moving it.
More will come in. This one underneath. More will come in. Just keep your hands flat.
Where did it go?
Huh?
Where did it go?
Guys, you see, Ed and Nicole is having a ball. I don't know. My anxiety is not allowing me to do all of this.
He's eating off his stick. Look right here, right here. Green and yellow.
Ooh.
What do I do? He's pecking me. I'm trying to figure out if he likes me or not.
I don't know, guys. I know they're not gonna harm me or anything, but I just cannot deal with something flying at me or that movement. I just cannot do it. I cannot do it. Look at Nicole. Do the fire?
No, take this bird away from me. Take it away. I'm like first back again.
I don't know. I wasn't built for all that. You guys enjoy all that. I cannot deal with anything flying at me.
challenge. Abracadabra. No, you don't see the bird. Count from 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
No, you see the bird.
Okay, got talent, man.
Abracadabra. No, you see another bird.
What?
No, you see more birds. No, a bird is it's up.
I feel uncomfortable. Get him off me.
I'm coming. Look so.
Watch it.
So guys, it has been a fun-filled day. Nice experience, and we are heading out. So we're heading back to the car. It's time to go. Thanks for watching. Toodles, guys. Time to take on the road, you know?
Alright, everybody's basically in. Get it rolling.